Hello students, my name is Diksha Avasthi. In my last video, I have given you brief explanation, and in today's video, we will study in detail about the topic clothes that talk. Imagine if things could talk. This would be surprising for us. Let's have a look at this picture and know about the characters of this play in which the clothes talk to each other. See the list of the characters. First, we have the narrator, who is the writer of this play. Second, the blue t-shirt named Sky. Next, YP is the name of the handkerchief. Neha's only pair of sneakers named Soul. Dot is the name of the bubbly red polka dotted skirt. The sparkly dress which is hanging in the cupboard named as Chumki. Mr. and Mrs. Sock, a pair of bright orange socks, are kept in the shelf of the cupboard. And at last we have Woolly, known as Wise Old Sweater. I will read one paragraph and then explain it. Narrator: Neha is a happy 10-year-old girl. She has a cupboard full of clothes. She has all kinds of clothes: t-shirts, skirts, dresses, scarves, sweaters, socks, and so many more. The clothes all live together happily, locked in Neha's cupboard. Every morning they remain still as they wait for Neha to choose the clothes that she wants to wear that day. It is only after midnight, when everyone in the house is fast asleep, that the clothes wake up and start chatting. Narrator talks about Neha, who is a cheerful 10-year-old girl. She has variety of clothes like t-shirts, skirts, dresses, scarves, sweaters, socks, and so many more in her cupboard. The clothes are always packed in the cupboard, but they are always happy. Every morning, the clothes wait for Neha to choose them that she wants to wear. The clothes start chatting after midnight when everyone falls asleep. This is the only time when anyone rarely opens the cupboard. Woolly: Tomorrow Neha is going on her class picnic. We should all be prepared. She could choose any of us to go with her. Woolly tells everyone to get prepared as Neha is going on her class picnic. Dot: How I wish Neha picks me tomorrow. I would love to go with her on her picnic. Dot says to everyone that it would love to go with Neha, but this will happen only if Neha chooses me. YP: Me too. I know there will be a lot of work to do, but there will also be so many new things to see. YP also feels the same as Dot. YP knows that it would be tiring, but still there will be lots of new things to watch. Woolly: It is far more enjoyable than being stuck in the cupboard for months on end. Woolly, the wise old sweater, says that being stuck in the cupboard for many months together is far unamusing than going out. Dot: I don't think Neha will choose me though. She usually only picks me for parties and events in the evening. Dot says sadly that I would not get chosen because Neha chooses me only when she planned for her parties and events. I am used as party dress. Sky: Oh, I hope she doesn't choose me. I'll get mud and dirt all over me when she plays on the field. It will take days for me to be fully clean again. You know, I hate being washed. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Ouch. Sky tells everyone that I don't want to go out with Neha as I will get mud and dirt all over me when she will enjoy on the field. I don't like when people wash and scrub me. It feels pain. Mrs. Sock: I know what you mean, Sky. Being tossed around in the washing machine is not much fun either. Mrs. Sock tells Sky that I understand what you feel. Being thrown from one side to another is not enjoyable anymore. Chumki: You complain too much. Think of how exciting it will be to go on a picnic. It will be so much fun to go to the zoo with Neha's classmates and friends. I know I will never get a chance to go on a picnic, but I am still happy with life. I know that I am special. Neha's only warned me once. Chamki is not happy with everyone's complaining nature. Going on a picnic is very exciting. Going to the zoo with Neha's classmates and friends is awesome. I'm not sad about not getting a chance to go on a picnic because I know I am the special one for Neha because Neha wore me in her special occasion. Narrator. The other clothes look at each other sadly. Chamki is Neha's favorite dress. She has been lucky enough to be worn at Neha's 10th birthday party. The other clothes are sure that Chamki would be picked by Neha the next time there is a special occasion. They are already quite jealous of Chamki as they too want to be Neha's favorite. Narrator expresses the feelings of other clothes as they are jealous of Chamki because Chamki was the Neha's favorite dress. The other clothes thought that Chamki has been lucky enough to be worn at Neha's 10th birthday party and Neha will again pick Chamki in the next special event. The others are unhappy because they wish to be Neha's favorite. YP, excuse me, folks. I think I am the most special one around here. Remember, Neha carries me around every day. I'm always there when she needs me to blow her nose or wipe her hands. I remember she tied me around her knee the other day when she fell down and cut herself while running. YP tells to her friends that I am the most special one present here in the cupboard. Neha doesn't go out without carrying me. She always needs me to blow her nose or wipe her hands. I always get used when she hurt herself while playing or running. Mr. Sock, lucky you. I spend my whole day in a shoe getting more and more smelly. I don't get to see any of the exciting things that all of you do. Mr. Sock tells everyone about its condition that everyone is lucky except me. I spend my day in a shoe. These get more and more smelly. I even don't get time to see any of the exciting things that all you people do. Don't be upset, Mr. Sock. At least you know that you will surely get to go on the picnic. You too, Soul. Are you ready for tomorrow? Dot tells Mr. Sock not to worry about that. You should be happy that definitely you will go out for a picnic. Dot tells Soul to get ready for tomorrow's picnic. Soul, yes, I am. I have been doing my exercises and stretches. I have to make sure Neha doesn't fall while running around. It's an important job, you know. Soul agrees Dot and tells that I have many responsibilities that I have to be alert about Neha's care while running on the ground. Woolly, we all have important jobs. We are all very useful to her. Some of us keep her warm, some make her look pretty. We all must remember what I always say. Teamwork is dream work. Woolly, the old wise sweater, tells everyone about their jobs and make them sure that we all are useful to her in different ways. Some keeps her warm, some makes her pretty. We all work together to keep Neha happy. Just remember one thing, teamwork is dream work. Narrator, all the clothes nod in agreement even if they do not get picked to go the picnic. There is always the next day. All the clothes move the head up and down, showing that they are agree with Woolly. They assure that they will be happy if they would not get chosen. Our day will come the next